Well, an absolutely shocking news today. Uber was just sued by over 500 women who have come together and filed this lawsuit against Uber. So we're gonna dive into the details, and please thumbs up the video so more people can hear about this and actually understand what's going on. So before I get started, I do wanna thank our video sponsor Solo, which is an incredible brand new app for gig workers that is actually providing gig workers with guaranteed pay. So if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any of the platforms and you're in one of their qualifying cities, they're gonna give you guaranteed pay. So they'll pay you the difference of when you go out and work. And they also have mileage tracking, they have taxes section, they have projection taxes, annual estimated taxes, expenses. And when you sign up right now as a free promo, since they're a new app, they're gonna send you 15 bucks on Venmo or PayPal. It literally takes minutes to do. So check out my link. You have to use my link though to get that 15 bucks. It's totally free. They have other memberships too that do cost money, but they have a free membership nationwide, anywhere in the United States. So check out Solo, please, I beg you. It's an incredible app, and I think every single driver very soon is gonna start using it. Yeah, they're a pretty incredible app. So let's get started. So Uber was just sued by more than 500 women over SA claims. Uber's being sued by more than 500 women who claim they were A-worded by drivers who use the ride-hailing platform. These are from drivers. Ugh, yuck, yucko. The complaint file, that's why when you, gosh, I've seen the comments in some of those videos, guys, those crazy ride videos, and a lot of the comments are like, oh, if I was the driver, I would have taken that girl home. And the girl's like intoxicated. I'm like, dude, you cannot provide consent when you're intoxicated. Like, please do not go home with your passengers or get their phone numbers or go out with them. Like, this is your job, okay? There's a reason why you don't mix work and personal life. The complaint filed Wednesday claims that women passengers in multiple states were kidnapped, S-A word, which I was just talking about, S battered, R-worded, falsely imprisoned, stalked, harassed, or otherwise attacked by their drivers. The filing in San Francisco County Superior Court comes nearly 2 weeks after the company released its second safety report saying SA reported on the platform was down. Wow, my friends. The case was filed by attorneys with the Slater. So, I mean, if you have had a similar experience, this would be a really good time to kind of, you know, contact these, I mean, I guess you can contact Slater Scullman firm and kind of, I mean, at least ask them for advice, right? I mean, no woman or man, by the way, should ever have to go through that, something like that. And yeah, especially when you're being taken advantage of, you know, if you're an Uber driver, or if you're a passenger and you're intoxicated, you know, a lot of people use Uber and Lyft to get home from the bars when they're drinking. You know, it's like it saves people from drunk driving. So when you have intoxicated people in the car, a lot of people get flirty, even if you're intoxicated, and say, oh my God, you're so cute, blah, 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 whatever. You cannot entertain that as a driver. That poses a serious risk, because that person, they're intoxicated, you're completely sober, you're working, they're trying to get home. This is not the time to mess around. You know, gosh, I could make a whole video about this, but the company said it received 3,000 reports of the 5 most severe categories of SA in 2019 and 2020, ranging from non-consensual kissing to non-consensual. Wow, this is some really gruesome stuff. But yeah, my friends, this is really serious. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Things are not looking good for Uber lately. I don't know, maybe this could be the end of Uber. I know there is a new platform called Ride Alto, which apparently a lot of drivers really like. They seem a lot more professional, and they are actually providing drivers with your own car. I don't know where I can see the driving. Yeah, but there's background checks, professional training, benefits for drivers. Anyways, I'm not sponsored by Ride Alto, but I know maybe this company is going to take over. So again, thanks for watching, and please check out Solo down below. Sign up, get 15 bucks just for signing up. They'll literally send it to your Venmo or PayPal. You just got to type in your account when you sign up with my link and link your account. And again, they have guaranteed earning pay, which is really cool. They have leaderboards for if you're a top earner. And you know, they're a brand new company, so give them a chance. Solo, check them out for free. Otherwise, thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye now.